Recap Friday. Today is March 26, 2021. Let's see what happened within the last week. Well, we know for a fact that within the past couple of days, Fed Chair Jerome Powell and also Janet Yellen came out and said that our economy is recovering very nicely. Therefore, they will start to reduce their buying of mortgage-backed securities, and also reduces their help in the economy while it is recovering. With that said, the 10-year Treasury has gone up today, this morning, to be at trading at 1.662 from a few days ago about 1.52. So it has rise tremendously as far as that's concerned. What would that do to our mortgage interest rate? Well, within the past couple of days, we saw very favorable rates. Some of my client has taken advantage of that. They've been asking me, what do you think about what's going to happen within the next couple of days? We did a video on this. Every single day is a good day to lock your interest rate regardless of what the rate might be, because your unique situation. Now, if you save money, if you feel like you're comfortable with the interest rate, please lock it in. We expect rate to rise this morning, and that it's not as favorable as a couple days ago. So with that, you know, if you lock a couple days ago, you'll be in good hands. But if you didn't, well, you lost out a little bit. Now what's going to happen in the future, we don't know. A lot of people say, well, you know, we speculative this and that. We think interest rate will go this way. Well, we also expect the bond, the 10-year Treasury, to be at 1.5%, which means that interest rate will come down. But again, that's our opinion about it, but who knows what's going to happen in the market. Plenty of people have been wrong. Even expert has been wrong. You know, we have been wrong. So technically, nobody really know where the market's going to go. I mean, if we did, to be honest with you, we wouldn't be in front of the camera and telling you what's going on, because why would we be filthy rich and that, you know, we be out of the public eye. Well, let's see how it affects our mortgage and interest in real estate market. Right now, we hear a couple of builders are having the best year of their life. Demand for real estate is very strong with rising interest rate. Mortgage application, refinance has dropped, but purchasing is still going strong, especially in the Bay Area right now where inventory is very low. And a lot of realtors has asked me, Michael, what do you think about what's going to happen within the next 6 months to a year? Okay, with the economies recovering, with also the longest bull market in history so far, I don't think that we will hang on too long. What does that mean? That means that I think that the market is going to go sideways for a little bit, maybe a dip a little bit here and there. The reason for that is we're going to have a lot of people gonna have issues with appraisal value, right? We just had a deal that I think it was worth $1.02 million on the property, was appraised at 1.02. The purchase price on that property was 1.125. The client removed contingency on both sides. Now they're buying $100,000 over the appraised value. So what does that mean? Well, the client kind of went over beyond to just get that house. Are they comfortable with it? Again, it's everybody's situation is unique, and I hope them the best of luck. But as you can see, there's a few appraisal value did not come into the purchasing value of what they're looking for. With that, buyers are buying or have to spend more money or coming out of pocket more money just to get that property. Would that trend continue? To be honest with you, I don't think so. Nobody want to buy something that the value is not there. Just for, let's just say, a car, for instance, or any commodities for that matter, would you buy something that's not worth the amount that you're purchasing it for? Definitely people will start to understand that the market is turning, and they will adjust their offer price accordingly. Other than that, please join me tomorrow. We have an exciting session tomorrow. We're going to give you some reason why you would not want to use a 1031 exchange when you sell your investment property. This doesn't happen to everybody, but again, there are reasons why people opt out of doing a 1031 exchange. And join me tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on YouTube Live, on our Saturday live shows, where we answer any and all mortgage related questions and also real estate. So you can do live phone calls coming in or do it through the chat box. So please share, subscribe, and tell your friends, family. Join us tomorrow, 9:30 Pacific Standard Time, and we will talk about reason why you would not choose to do a 1031 exchange. Hope to see everybody tomorrow. Be safe.